Hello everyone, this is Mehdi and you are welcome to a new tutorial. In today's tutorial I am going to show you guys how to integrate WooCommerce payment in classified listing plugin or classified listing theme step by step. If you are created a classified website with classified listing plugin or classified listing theme which is developed by Radius theme and you want to integrate WooCommerce payment in your classified website, then this video is perfect for you. This is a completely step-by-step tutorial and we need 7 simple steps. So make sure you don't skip any step, otherwise you might face issues while integrating the WooCommerce payment in your website. Alright, let's begin. Now I can close this step and go to the admin dashboard. Very first step, in this step we will rename the default classified listing checkout page. This is important because after some time when we will install and activate the WooCommerce plugin, then the WooCommerce checkout page will be imported. So two checkout page can create confusion. That's why very first we have to rename the classified listing checkout page name. That's great. Let's do it. From the left side menu, hover over on pages and click over here all pages. Then check where is the checkout page. Great, you can see this is the checkout page. Now I want to edit this page. So click over here, edit. Now you can give any name here, like you can give here classified checkout or classified checkout page. I want to give like first bracket start and close, then I want to give here CL. Okay, and from the right side you can see select I want to change it as well checkout, then hyphen, it will be CL. Okay, then from the right side top click over here save. That's great, our changes has been saved. Now I can close this step. That means our step 1 is completed. Now step 2. In this step we want to install and activate the WooCommerce plugin. So hover over on plugins and click over here add plugin. From the right side search box just type here WooCommerce. That's great. This is the WooCommerce plugin which I want to install and activate right now. So click over here install now, activate. That's great. You can see WooCommerce plugin installed and activated successfully. That means step 2 is completed. Step 3. In this step we will rename the WooCommerce checkout page. So again go to the pages. From the left side menu hover over on pages, then click over here all pages. Then check where is the WooCommerce checkout page. Just scroll down and you can see checkout CL. That means it's classified listing checkout page and this is the WooCommerce checkout page. So now I want to edit this page. So click over here edit and rename the checkout page title, like I want to give here checkout, then first bracket start and close, then I want to give here like WC WooCommerce. You can give here like WooCommerce checkout or that you want, and from the right side select checkout I want to give here like checkout hyphen WC. That's mean WooCommerce. That's great. Now you can see this is the checkout pages and its Gutenberg pages. I have to change it, so just check this section and click this 3 icon. You can see this is the delete, just delete it, and you have to give here WooCommerce checkout shortcode. Open a new tab and just type here WooCommerce checkout shortcode. WooCommerce checkout shortcode, click here and just scroll down, then you can see or you can open it like WooCommerce checkout shortcode, or you can open any one of them. Don't worry, I have given the link in this video description, so you can check it from here. And you can see this is the WooCommerce checkout. Just copy it, then again go to the page editor and click this plus icon and type here shortcode. This is the shortcode, click here and paste the shortcode here. Don't worry, I have given this shortcut link and shortcut in this video description. Then again from the right side top, click over here save. That's great. You can see our changes has been saved. Now I can close this tab. Again go to the all pages and refresh it and check it. Okay, you can see this is the checkout, WooCommerce checkout. If you hover on here, then you can see in left side bottom WooCommerce checkout, WooCommerce, then the WooCommerce CL. That's great. Step 4. In this step we will disable the default payment and enable the WooCommerce payment. That's why go to the classified listing settings. So from the left side menu, you can see this is the classified listing. Just hover over on it and you can see this is the settings. Click over here settings. Then navigate to the payment tab. This is the payment. Click here and very fast checkout options, enable payment. That's great. Then offline, check it and disable it. This is the default payment. Then the PayPal, authorized.net and Stripe. Yes, all default payment is disabled and save changes. Then again click over here WooCommerce payment, which is very important, and I have to enable this option WooCommerce payment. So click here and save changes. That's great. Our step 4 is completed. Now step 5. In this step we will set classified listing checkout page. So navigate to the page setup and permalink tab. Just click over here. It's very important. So again I repeat it. Just classified listing, then go to the settings, then navigate to the page setup and permalink tab. Click here. Then the very first you can see permalink select. Just scroll down and page setup. You have to set all pages here, but in this tutorial I want to show only this option checkout page. You can see this is the checkout CL. That means this is the classified listing checkout page. If you can't hear CL or classified listing checkout page, then just click here, then the drop down will be open and you have to choose the classified listing checkout page. Okay, so like you can see here home 10, then you have to click here, then choose classified listing checkout. You can see this is the checkout CL. That means classified listing checkout. Just select it and save from the right side top. Click over here save change. That's great. Our changes has been saved. That means step 5 is completed. Now step 6. In this step we will set WooCommerce checkout page from the WooCommerce settings. So go to the WooCommerce settings and from the left side menu hover over on WooCommerce, then click over here settings. If you click here WooCommerce settings, then you can see it shows lots of tab. Just you have to navigate to the advanced tab. You can see this is the advanced tab. Just click over here advanced, scroll down and you can see cart page and checkout page. You have to set the WooCommerce checkout page from here. You can see checkout, then WC. That means this is the WooCommerce checkout. If you can't see here checkout page, like you can see here like this. Okay, you can see home 9. In this case just click here, then the search the page name. Okay, just type here checkout. Yes, you can see this is the checkout CL and scroll down. This is the checkout WC. That means this is the WooCommerce checkout. That's why we have renamed the checkout page. Okay, easily you can understand this is the WooCommerce checkout. So which is very important, and you have to select the WooCommerce checkout from here. So again I repeat it, WooCommerce, then the settings. You have to navigate to the advanced tab, then you have to select WooCommerce checkout from here. That's great. Scroll down, then the save changes. Our settings has been changed. That means successfully we have completed up to step 6. Now step 7, which is the final step. In this step we will configure the WooCommerce payment and we will test the WooCommerce payment system. But moving to the final step, I have a request. After watching this video, if you think this video is helpful for you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and inspire me to make this type of WordPress tutorials. Let's get started for the final step. So in this step we will configure the payment. So from the WooCommerce settings, like WooCommerce, then click over here settings, and you can see lots of tabs here. You have to navigate to the payment tab. That's why we want to integrate the WooCommerce payment. So click over here payment, and you can see lots of payment method like accept WooCommerce with you, and you can install from here. Then the PayPal payment, okay, then the take offline payment. I make this tutorial only for the demo purpose, so just I want to configure take offline payment. Okay, so if you want PayPal, then you can install from here. I hope already you know how to integrate PayPal, or you can check another video. So I want to show how to integrate WooCommerce payment in your classified listing website. So just I want to show this option, take offline payment. Just click here. Then the cash on delivery, check payment, direct bank transfer. I want to show cash on delivery, so enable it. That's great. Again click over here manage. Then the enable cash on delivery, you have to check this box. Then you can give here your text. Okay, I want to keep as a default, so save changes. Okay, you can see our settings has been changed. Now go to the website and navigate to the my account page. You can see this is the my account icon. If you can't see this user icon here, just you have to type like your website, then the my account. Okay, like this way. This is the your domain or website URL. Then just type here my account. Okay, enter. Or you can go my account page from the all pages, just pages, and click here all pages. Then just you have to find out which is the my account page for you. Okay, so this is the my account page, and scroll down, you can see membership report, and you can buy a membership from here. So click here. That's great. You can see this is the website. Then the checkout CL. Checkout CL, that's mean this is the classified listing checkout page. Then the membership, just you have to choose the membership plan. Just I want to choose this one. Select this package and click here process to payment. Click here. That's great. You can see checkout WC. That's mean our configuration works perfectly. Checkout WC, that's mean this is the WooCommerce checkout. Okay, scroll down and you have to give your necessary information. Then you can see cash on delivery, then the place order. Click here. Okay, you have to give your district here, region, then the district here you have to give here, like I want to give it. Then I can click over here place order. That's great. You can see our WooCommerce payment integration works perfectly. Then again, to be confirmed, go to the admin dashboard, and you can see this is the WooCommerce. Just refresh this dashboard page and orders. You can see order 1. Click here. That's great. You can see this is the only like 24 seconds ago. That's mean this is my payment. Okay, and currently processing. You can manually completed it. Click here, then the process you can select from here completed, and same thing you will see the classified listings order as well. If you hover on it, and you can see this is the payment history. Click here. That's great. You can see this is the WooCommerce payment. Okay, which I paid through the WooCommerce. That's why it shows WC. Okay, that's mean the WooCommerce. So finally we have integrated the WooCommerce payment in our classified listing website. I hope this video is very helpful for you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get this type of helpful tutorials on WordPress. Thanks for watching the video.